Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a payment gateway with Stripe, beginner guide step by step clearly. To build a payment gateway with Stripe, start by signing up for a Stripe account. Visit the Stripe website and click on the sign up button. Follow the prompts to enter your email, create a password, and set up your account. Once your account is created, log in to the Stripe dashboard. Next, navigate to the Developers section. Here, you will find the API keys you need to integrate Stripe with your application. Make a note of both the publishable key and the secret key. The next step is to choose your programming language or platform for integration. Stripe provides libraries for various programming languages, including JavaScript, Python, and Ruby. Select the appropriate library for your chosen language and download it. Now, create a new project folder on your local machine. In your project folder, initiate your project and install the Stripe library using your package manager. For example, if you're using Node.js, run npm install Stripe in your terminal. Once the installation is complete, create a new file for your payment processing code. In this file, import the Stripe library using the necessary syntax for your programming language. After that, initialize the Stripe object with your secret key. Now you need to set up a simple backend endpoint to handle payment requests. Create a route that listens for payment submissions from your frontend. In this route, use Stripe's API to create a payment intent. Pass in the required parameters such as currency and amount. Next, build your frontend user interface for the payment form. Use HTML to create a form where users can enter their payment details. Incorporate Stripe.js to securely handle sensitive card information. Add event listeners to your form to submit payment data to your backend when the user clicks the Submit button. Once the payment is processed, handle the response in your frontend code. Display success or error messages based on the payment result. Ensure that your application is running on a secure server to protect sensitive customer information. For testing, use the test card numbers provided by Stripe. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.